Hello everybody, it's NJT Amtrak Guy. Today is April 5th, 2014, and I'm in West New York and Weehawken, New Jersey to do a quick look at 432 Park Avenue and One World Trade Center. 432 Park Avenue has now gained enough height to the point where it can be seen from West New York and Weehawken, New Jersey. In case you haven't found it already, here it is. There it is, everybody. 432 Park Avenue. This tower is continuing to rise at a very significant rate. Way over there is 1 and 4 and 7 World Trade Center. Looking good as usual. Looks like the construction elevator is still back there. So there's 1 and 4 World Trade Center, and yep, we're back to 432 Park Avenue. And just to tell you, it's going to get a lot taller. There's 157 with it. Looks like the glass is being filled in. Alright, so there it is again, everybody. 432 Park Avenue and 157. It looks like the glass is being filled in too on 432 Park Avenue. See it right down there. Alright, so yeah, it really looks like the tower is gaining a lot of height. Very significant. And in case you don't already know, 432 Park Avenue will be taller than One World Trade Center. So yep, this tower has a lot to go. Yeah, I can still see the construction elevator on One World Trade Center. But yeah, I'm gonna go on to Hoboken and we'll see if we can see 432 Park Avenue from there. Alright, let's keep moving. Alright, I'm now gonna start making my way to the light rail train. That'll take me to Hoboken. But again, there's 432 Park Avenue. I'm actually slightly lower than I was. As you can see, I was up there. And yeah, here's another look at 432 Park Avenue. And 157 is next to it. again, this will be another New York marvel. It's got a long way to go. It can now be seen from New Jersey, West New York and Weehawken. And I'm going to continue to see if I can see it from Hoboken. I don't know about that, but we'll see. Alright everybody, I'm now in Hoboken. There's 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Well, I'm going to start walking a little, see if we can eventually see 432 Park Ave. Alright, well the sun is starting to set now, so I'm just going to keep walking and see what I can see. But until then, here's 1 and 4 World Trade Center, and 7. There's 1 World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower, and 4 World Trade Center. And I'm looking over here. I believe I am seeing 432 Park Avenue. Yeah, that is 432 Park Avenue right there. Yep, that's the very beginning of 432 Park Avenue. I'm now walking in Newport, and I'm going to continue over towards Jersey City. It's been a while since I've been over here, but the winter's just been brutal. But now it's starting to heat up somewhat, so that's a very good thing. So again, there's the start of 432 Park Avenue from here. And we will continue to see it rise up. Because again, it will be taller than 1 World Trade Center.